So when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. It's so beautiful. I love how my room came out. I've been decorating my room for quite some time, finding all of this perfect stuff to go into my room. And a lot of this stuff is still the same, but I have definitely collected a lot more stuff throughout the years. So in this video, I just want to show you my decor, and especially that spring is coming, I kind of wanted to freshen things up a bit. So if you are girly and you like to decorate, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I need to find a spot for my new pastel pink Keurig. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it because the plug is so short and I just don't really know where it will fit because it is kind of like long. But yeah, that's over there. And then you get over here and you get the whole thing. I just have a lot of knickknacks going on, and I love my little vanity. And like, look how cute that little dog is up there. I actually got that while thrifting. I always wanted it when I was younger. So I'm gonna show you what's on top of here. I just have these little houses. They're pastel and they're like kind of like cookie jars. I found them at Goodwill. And I have this Marie Antoinette tea. I finally found this at TJ Maxx Home Goods. So, but if you guys are looking for this tea, definitely check out your local TJ Maxx Home Goods because I found it there and it was only $10. And then you get over here, and I found this cup from the Dollar Tree, and it just says stay fancy, and it's like one of those cups that will like never fall. I don't want to risk it right now just in case it like literally does break on camera, but like the bottom is rounded, so like it's just so cute. I have this from a long time ago. I think my mom got it at the Christmas tree shop, I believe, or somewhere like that. And then I got this phone. It's like actually a lighter. I got this at a yard sale. It was only like $1. And then over here is this cake tin by Benefit. Makeup came in there at one point, but now it's in my room because I got it at a thrift store. Somebody donated it. I don't know why, because it's so gorgeous. And then over here it just says I love you more than brunch. And I got this sign at Target. And then down here I just have this little photo album. I got this at the thrift store. This is a photo of me and my mom. And then right over here it says Jack and Jill. It's just a book and it's so vintage and girly. And then down here I got this tray from the Dollar Tree, and it's literally only $1 and it looks so fancy. And then I have this little Eiffel Tower. It was once an ornament and I got it at Target during Christmas. And then over here I just have this little pink makeup puff, and this is so cute. I found this at TJ Maxx, and in checkout like the girl was like, oh, it's gonna be 50% off, so I literally only got it for $7, and it's so cute. It's from Too Faced. I just love this so much. And over here I have these little acrylic drawers, and I actually got these at Target, believe it or not, in the dollar spot. So if you see these, definitely pick them up. And they actually had one for like your lipsticks and stuff, but I don't really use lipsticks, so I decided to get these, and they actually like do come apart. So it's $3 each, and then you just stack them. So it's 3, 3, 3, and 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's $12 for all of these. And I have yet to put stuff in here. I just have my boudoir by Too Faced and some crystal stuff from Primark. And I have my white peach palette. And I have this really cute glittery rose gold palette from Hard Candy. And then over here is my absolute favorite. I love how this little DIY tray came out. It looks so antique, pastel, and girly. I just got a photo frame from the Dollar Tree and I painted it and made it look shabby chic. So it wasn't like perfect, and I wanted some of the black to peek through, but I really love how this came out. And if I really wanted to, I could take this off and just use that as an actual vanity mirror because it is a picture frame. And I think that is such a cute girly DIY idea. This little perfume, little puff thing I got at Hobby Lobby. And then I have my champagne toast body lotion. I actually got this from a friend a long time ago, and then I just have a Sugar Plum room scent, and there's actually nothing in there. I just really like how it looked. And then I have this little chandelier candlestick holder that I got from Salvation Army, I believe. So down here, I got this really big giant calendar from the Target dollar spot. I have yet to use it, but I do want to start getting into planning and like planning YouTube videos, because I have so many planned videos and so much planned content that I just have so many ideas and I just don't know what to tackle first. But I actually did record like 3 videos today, so yeah, I feel like accomplished. I'm gonna get down here so you can see everything. So right here, I just have this Juicy Couture little card wallet thing, and it's like has a little keychain and heart. It's just super cute. I just leave this here. And then I have this little Ted Baker pen. The pen is actually like somewhere in my room because I was using it to write notes on my orders, but it's just super cute and I wanted to leave it in the box. And then I have these little diamond bookends, and honestly, I just use them as like decor, but I will use them as bookends someday. And then over here, I have my Fly Me to the Moon Ted Baker passport holder. I have yet to use this because I have not gone on any vacations. And then I just have my KKW liquid lipstick set. And then over here, I have a agenda type thing. And it came with a makeup palette. It says, "Don't let today be a waste of makeup," and it's by Too Faced. And then over here, I have this little tray that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I used my Cricut and some glitter vinyl, and I just posted a Chanel symbol on top, and I thought it looked really glam and luxurious, even though it's not real, but I thought it was just wicked cute. And then I actually got this as a gift a long time ago. It's like a tufted diamond jewelry box, and it's from TJ Maxx. Then you open it, and I just have all of my jewelry in here. Super cute, and none of this is real because I cannot afford any Chanel, and even if I could, I just don't want to because it's just too expensive. But this box is super girly and cute. And then over here, I just have this feather pen that I got from Savers, as well as this pearl necklace. I have this little Honey Marc Jacobs perfume. I just love this bottle. It's super cute with the pearl butterflies. And then I have a body lotion over here, and these pink depression glass champagne glasses. They are super cute and fancy, so girly, so me. And then I just have this little antique Peter Pan color back here, just peeking in. And then you head over here, and I have my mannequin. It's kind of broken, so it's leaning to the side more, but honestly, it's still cute, so I'm just gonna use it. I just have this really cute Playdate, like a hat box almost. It's not vintage, but it's totally vintage inspired. This was my favorite thrift find. It's just super cute and girly and vintage. And then my boyfriend's sister, Brittany, actually bought me this little pillbox hat, and this is vintage from, I believe, the 1950s, and it has like pretty pink flowers all over it. Super me, so girly. And then this is my all-time favorite photo. It's just so aesthetically pleasing, and I just love the frame and the artwork. It's super cute. I actually thrifted this a while back. So down here, I just have some other little goodies. I have my pink Audrey Hepburn Barbie doll, and it is from the Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's Holly Golightly. And then I have this strawberries and champagne spray that this is actually from like high school. I still have it, but it smells super good. And then I picked up this birthday cake skinny syrup that I've seen all over Instagram. I just had to have it. I don't really have a spot for it now, so I just left it here. And then behind her, Audrey herself, I have My Fair Lady. It's a record, and then just a bunch of other records, but I'm not gonna go through those right now. I love this frame. I actually got this a really long time ago. I forget where I got it, but... And then right on over here, I have my pastel pink Cricut that I got for Christmas. So cute. I love this color. And the Cricut machine is pretty cool. I'm trying to still figure out how to use it, but Wow, this thing is beautiful. Then right over here is just so adorable. I got those clouds from the Dollar Tree. This is what they look like. So girly and cute. And I put them right near my bed just like for bedtime purposes. It just makes it look a lot cozier. And then I have this heart picture from the dollar spot at Target, and I have these pink depression glass Rosaline cups. And then over here I keep some body sprays and perfumes, and this is a pillow spray with a little puff ball. And then I have my Mrs. Teapots over here. This is the Ari by Ariana Grande body spray, and this one is YSL. Moving on to my bed area, this is super cozy and I love these pillowcases. They're actually from Savers and they're from the Shabby Chic collection. These ones right here. And then I made this little feather rose garland. And then these two pillows are from the Dollar Tree. And then the stuffed animals I got at Savers. And this pillow is from Primark. This one's from Goodwill. Then I have my Peter Pan and Snow White picture frames. I almost call them canvases. And then over here I have all of my pink girly mugs. Then over here it looks super pink because of the lighting. But I just have my Lavia and Rose hat that I made from the Dollar Tree. If you guys want to see how I made that hat, I will definitely leave the link to my video down below. Okay, so I decided to put on a ring light because the lighting, it was not working. So this is the beautiful pink dress. And then you come on down here. And this is so aesthetically pleasing. I love the packaging of the Bath & Body Works Confetti Cake Pop. Super adorable and just so me. So I got the shower gel as well as the body fragrance mist. And then over here I just have this little heart pink picture that I got from TJ Maxx. And then I have a Starbucks one in the back. And then over here I just have a little shelf. I actually just set this up. This used to be inside of my closet. I have these really pretty Badgley Mishka block heels. And then over here I just have this fake Burberry inspired teddy bear that I got from Goodwill, and these pink depression glass champagne glasses, as well as this Made with Love bowl from Target. And then over here I have my little marshmallow inspired Betsy Johnson bag on top of this pink cake tray from the Target dollar spot. And then I have my strawberry pound cake body lotion as well as this confetti cake pop body lotion. And then down here are my shoes, and I gotta fix the lights for the other shoe things, but I have these little LED lights, which is pretty darn cool. I literally made these fake Chanel ones on the bottom, and like I cannot get the price tag off those shoes for the life of me. I definitely want to get another one of these and like put my bags on them. And then the last part of my room, I just have my TV as well as this cute little kitschy decoration, and they're just like cute little pastel birds. And then I have this The Righteous Butter from Soap and Glory. And then I have my record player, which I totally think I broke. That is all of my stuff in my room. This is what it looks like. The floor, like actually the rug's wicked cute, but I gotta clean my floor, and then I just have my little heater over there. But yeah, and then over here, I actually forgot to show you, I have my little Peter Pan and Wendy golden book. I literally just put command hooks on a little golden book and hung it up. It's pretty durable, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite room decoration from my video. Be sure to click the bell so you don't miss anything, and also don't forget to follow all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.